You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is t equal or smaller than 150. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 60 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the t. Divide both sides by 0.1. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is t equal or smaller than 150.